Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today I'm working on a flower bed job. What I'm gonna do is try to get this flower bed all cleaned up here. It's gonna take some time, so let's take a look at it, see what all I'm working with here. This here is the flower bed I'm talking about right here. So it's got a lot of weeds in it, some grass, and basically I'm gonna see about just getting all of these here weeds all there taken out of here all around, and some more flower beds in the back, but we're just looking at this right here. So I'm gonna see if I can get it all cleaned up and shaped up and all. There's a lot of weeds over there, and there's a lot of weeds here, and as you can see right here, there's a lot of weeds, grass. So I'm gonna try to get all of this here all taken up out of here, this portion right here. So I'm gonna get all of this all cleaned up here, and also some looking at it, we got some flower beds right over here, so we're gonna see about getting these here all cleaned up right here. You can see this portion right here, get that all cleaned up there, and this right in here. So I'm gonna see about getting all of that all cleaned up, and then we got some in the back. Gonna see about trying to get that all cleaned up there. So there's just a lot of overgrowth of winter weeds and all. So but let's look at the back, take a look, and see about cleaning up the back here. Okay, y'all see this here's a flower bed back here. So we're gonna see about getting the weeds all out of here. Also in this area right here, gonna get the weeds out of there, right here as we walk along. Got them right here, and we got some over in this here area right here. So this here's what I'm gonna be working on today. So hopefully I can get this here all looking good. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. I'm gonna get in here and see about getting this here all cleaned up. So I'm just giving y'all a view of what I'm working on, or is getting this one here all cleaned up here. So yep, I'm finna jump in here, y'all, and see about getting this one here all taken care of. So it should let me see, it should take some time to get this one here all taken care of. So let me jump in and see about getting this one here all cleaned up. All right, y'all, stay tuned. I'll give you an after view. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I managed to get this here property all mowed up, edged, trimmed, blowed, and the flower beds cleaned up. That was the main objective of this one. So basically, the customer just wanted to get the flower beds all cleaned up and all. And so that's what I did, get those flower beds all cleaned up. But let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Okay, we started out with the front one up there. As you can see, this up here had a lot of weeds. You know, in the beginning of the video, you could see all the weeds that were in there. So managed to get all of those weeds all cleaned up out of there. It was a lot of overgrowth of weeds and all. So I was able to get that out of there. As you can see right here, still some scraggly roots and all, but tried to just get all of that up out of there. So I'm just giving y'all a quick view of that. So let's walk back to the back. You know, you can see the front, but let's walk back here to the back. Yeah, and I just went ahead and mowed it since I was here, just to give it a good clean appearance, you know, from cleaning up the flower beds. So now you can see this one back here, it had some weeds in it, and also ran across some snakes in there. Managed to, I don't know what kind of snakes it was, some kind of red-like snake. Looks very poisonous. But get this here port cleaned up. You know, there's a lot of still little sprigs of grass in there, but managed to get that. And over on this here side, managed to basically get all those weeds of overgrowth up out of there. And it still has some I don't know, I guess some type of flowers that they were having, some kind of stuff that grows along. So I didn't really want to take all of that out, but I took some of it out, just leave a little bit of it so it'll blend back in. And over here, I know it was some type of plant that was growing, so I managed to just take and trim that up a little bit, not to take it out all the way, just trim it down a little bit and get that. And you can see over here, yeah, try to get this here all cleaned up and all. As you can see that. Yeah, this here stuff here is what I'm talking about. This right here looks like some type of plant that they had growing there. That's what I was talking about, not to actually take it out and all. But as you can see, got that out of there. And this here, well, I don't know, I think it was some type of flower, but I'm just trying to get the dead parts out of there. It'll come back, whatever type of grass flower that is right there. But that's the way everything turned out. I'm just sharing this a little bit with y'all. Took quite a bit of time just to get all of this here all cleaned up and all. So that's it for this one. Oh, and also you can see right in here, they got different types of grass growing in here, and it's got St. Augustine, some kind of seeded grass. I don't know if it's Canadian grass, what kind of Bermuda grass, what kind of grass that is, but it's mixed with all different types of grass. And so I took and tried to, well, blend it in, just mow it down low so it could kind of blend in, not to take it out all the way, so it wouldn't look so bad back here. But this here's the way everything turned out. So I'm just sharing this a little bit with you here, the way everything, you know, looks afterwards for us working with some weeds in a flower bed here. So now let's walk back here to the front and see. That was some stuff here that the customer's working on. They put that over there. Now I'm taking some stuff with me, so just walking along here. So let's back over here. You see, managed to get that all done and mowed the yard good in here. Oops, uh-oh, the mailman. Okay, and as you can see, this portion right over here, we got it, and got it over here. Okay. Hey, I wasn't on your way. What?
Oh no, I gotta go to the door anyway.
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys. So, just want to say that's it for that one. So I'm finna head out of here, y'all. Take care. Okay, everyone. Just showed up in another property I'm finna take care of. I got Cody with me, and we finna take care of this one right here.
What's up, YouTube?
And as you can see, it's kind of high. Customer just well, emailed me that they wanted to get it you know, mowed for this year. So just looking at it, we're gonna see if we can get in here and get this here all mowed up, cleaned up. It's got some weeds right here, and back over here on this here side, you can see grass is kind of, well, weedy there. So I'm gonna see if I can get in here and basically just get these weeds all down and make sure we can make everything look good, get it all good and clean and all. So just sharing a little bit with y'all for right now. I'm gonna give you an after view of it. We're gonna take care of the front and the back, so I'm gonna get the mower down and get this here all mowed up here. All right, y'all, stay tuned. everyone, managed to get this one here all mowed up, edged, blowed, and everything. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, this here is the way it looked after you know, mowing and edging and trimming and all of that. So we got it taken care of here. So you can see the way the side looks, and you knew how to, well, I tried to share a little bit with you about on the back there. Put a little clip in there on the back, the way it was looking when it entered the back to mow it and edge it and try to trim it up. And you know, basically got it though. This is the way the back looked. See, got it all around, you know. In that clip you can see where the grass was rather high and overgrown and all. But this is the first time that this lawn has been taken care of this year. So it was gonna get pretty high. So, you know, like I say, the customer just notified me that they wanted to get it all trimmed up and everything. So now we got it done. And so now I'm gonna see if possibly there's enough time maybe to go and do another one. So I don't know, but we're gonna see. Cody want to say hi, y'all. Here you go.
What's up, guys?
All right, but yeah, there it is. So got this one here out the way, and I'm gonna see if I can get to another one, y'all. All right, y'all, stay tuned.